This is a common question new customers always ask agents. The answer is, it depends on the plan and policy type you buy. There are four main categories of protection. Liability insurance. This covers injuries to the other party, damage to their vehicle and also property damages. If you have a vehicle not worth very much and you don't drive too often, liability-only insurance may make sense. It is much cheaper than comprehensive, with pricing in some states starting at $29 for good drivers. Collision insurance. This will pay for damage and medical costs pertaining to you. It's smart to buy it if your vehicle is newer and worth more than $12,000. Comprehensive insurance. This is the gold standard of coverage. This type of policy costs more but has wide-ranging protection. It coincides with collision and will repair or replace your automobile for events that cause damage or a loss, not relating to an vehicular accident. This means if your car is stolen, you will be protected and can get it replaced for its current market value. Also, weather-related damages done to your auto will also be covered. Typical examples are flooding, fires and animal incidents. Uninsured motorists insurance. There are more people driving on the roads uninsured than ever before. Buying uninsured motorists insurance will protect you from these lawless drivers. If you get involved in an accident with someone with no insurance, you will insured up to your policy limits. It is important to know that every state has different insurance mandatory coverage and laws. You should familiarize yourself with the mandated limits in your state and stay current with changing laws. The most common car insurance coverages. Each type of coverage you purchase contains a set of limits, policy terms and multiple conditions. Bodily injury is an all-important one. It will pay for, as the name implies, bodily injuries sustained from an incident you were found to be at fault causing. A good liability policy will also pay for legal fees, up to certain predefined limits, in the event you are sued in court. Liability will also pay for damages you cause to another person's property, almost always their automobile, after an at-fault accident occurred. Medical insurance will most often cover you and the passengers riding along in your vehicle who were hurt in a crash. Another advantage of having good medical coverage is, it will cover medical costs in the event you are hit by a car walking as a pedestrian. There are several states that have PIP or personal injury protection laws as opposed to medical coverage. Some people refer to this as no-fault coverage. PIP insurance will most often pay for medical, funeral, income loss and a variety of other costs that relate to bodily injury sustained after a vehicle accident.